So next sampling techniques में हमारा सब टॉपिक होगा cluster sampling. What is cluster sampling? It is an example of two-stage sampling. For example, in first stage, a sample of areas is chosen, is selected, and in second stage, a sample of respondents living in those areas, they are selected. In cluster sampling, population is divided into clusters of homogeneous units, which are usually based on geographical areas, geographical similarities. Then, sampling units are groups which are rather than individuals. All units from the selected clusters, they are studied. Advantages of cluster sampling. Cluster sampling, as compared with other types of sampling, is a cost-effective method. When we say cost-effective method, here travel expenses are reduced, administrative expenses which are involved, they are reduced because population is clustered into smaller groups. Then large population can be studied in this type of sampling as compared with other sampling. Disadvantages. Cluster sampling has a sampling error which is higher for a simple random sample of the same size, and this may give errors if the population chosen is biased one. How this cluster sampling is different from strata sampling. There are, although strata and cluster sampling, they are both non-overlapping, but there are some differences between the two. For example, all strata are represented in the sample, but only a subset of clusters, they are in the sample. Similarly, with strata sampling, the best survey results occur when elements within strata, they are homogeneous internally, while for cluster sampling, the best results, they are obtained when there are heterogeneous internally. So there are some differences between strata and cluster sampling.